Hello YouTube, it's Craig with Casworks Woodworking. Well, we got here last night, got a good night's sleep. Today's day one of the construction. We're going to prep some things and then get started on demo. Let's get to it.
Day one of demo is complete. As you can see, we got the siding off most of the upstairs. We got a section of the roof taken out. We got a bunch of clapboard siding taken off the wall and windows taken out. We currently have it covered with plastic, so we keep the elements out. And we remove some of the decking for where the stairs are going to go. So I think it was a very successful day. Looking forward to tomorrow.